Hello my beautiful people, how are ya? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. If you're new then hi, I'm Zina and I'm a hair artist. But today we're gonna create low, easy, messy bun, no braiding, no. It takes less than 3 minutes say to recreate them. Also, me as a hair artist, I'm using of course some tips and tricks when making updos. So I'll teach you some of them today. But guys, I cannot be happy now because this video is a collab with Luisa jewelry company. I appreciate so much good quality jewelry. Since I got these beautiful things, I'm just in love with quality jewelry. They have exceptional quality. The pieces are lasting, crafted with such care. Also, they have fair prices, so no luxury markups. The prices starts from 39 USD. They also have premium details. They use only the best noble metals. So also the packaging is so nice and beautiful and thoughtful, as I said. Also they are carbon neutral, so they offset 100% of their carbon emissions. They think of it as a fair trade with Mother Nature. So guys, as I said, no luxury markups. They have something for anybody. Even the products were gifted. This is my honest opinion on them. What I love about it, quality. Secondly, they're so thoughtful for the people that they are working with. They are very thoughtful about the hair. But also guys, wanna say one more thing. They have Black Friday and I'll write here everything you have to know because they have such good prices from 19 till 2 December. They have 50% for second piece you order. So basically guys, that's such a good price. So make sure to check out. Also, if you live in US, you have even a gift. So make sure to check it out during these days. The best pieces can be sold out so quickly. So make sure to check out. Also, I leave all the details in the info bar. So make sure to check it as well and not be confused. Make sure to check out their website, and without trembling, let's get right into our hair tutorial.
So first of all, we're gonna make a parting, but that's optional. And then we want to make a very low ponytail. Tighten it. And then you want to twist your ponytail and make kind of downwards knot like I'm showing. Flip it like that, leave the ends out. I'll show you one more time what I'm doing so you can see better how I'm knotting basically my hair. Make sure to leave the ends out. If your hair is longer, this is even better because it will stay better in place. Then you want to spread the knot and grabbing a bobby pin, you want to pin it inside of our knot. This way it will stay secure. Make sure to pin it from both sides like that. And then you want to wrap the ends inside like I'm showing. And then you want to cover it with your knot like I'm showing, creating this type of kind of messy chignon bun. And we want to pin it under our created bun with 2 bobby pins. And you're done! So for the next hairstyle, we want to grab our top section like I'm showing and clip it away for later. Then grabbing the rest, you want to tie it using an elastic, creating a low ponytail. Then twist the hair like I'm showing, pull it a little bit to make it voluminous looking and wrap it around the base of your ponytail and pin it in place using several bobby pins. Now you want to release your top section, and beginning from your heavy side of your parting, you want to twist it away from your face. But as you twist, make sure to add more hair. No guys, that's not a raw braid. You basically just twist your hair. When your crown section is twisted, make sure to stop it here, hold it with one hand, and with the second one you want to pull a little bit created twist, and make sure to use some bobby pins to fix this twist in place at the base like I'm showing. So as you are pinning, make sure to grab the hair from the twist and from the crown section as well, so it will stay like I'm showing. Then you want to continue twisting and wrap the twist around the bun. Make sure again to pull it and pin it in place. As you pin, make sure to grab the hair from the pin and from the ponytail or crown like I'm showing, like that. And then you want to wrap the ends around the bun. Of course, if your hair is longer, you'll wrap it several times around your bun. Make sure to fix it in place using bobby pins. Use some hairspray if needed, and you're done. So for third hairstyle, we want to grab all our hair into a low ponytail like that. Now you want to loosen a little bit your top section, divide your ponytail into two, and then you want to twist a little bit one of the sections, pull a little bit, and you want to pin it like I'm showing, grabbing hair from the twist and from the ponytail as well, and then you want to continue twisting and pin it in place like I'm showing until you have no more hair to twist. Make sure to pull your hair and secure it using bobby pins if needed. Then you want to grab your second section and you want to twist it again, and we want to twist it again and kind of looping it. You want to pin it in place at the base of created twisted loop until you have no more hair to twist. Hide the ends inside of your created loops. Make sure to use as many bobby pins as needed, and some hairspray of course too. Pull it if you need, and you're done. But for our last hairstyle, I'll show you how to create this round shape of the popular buns. I'm sure everybody saw it, but we'll create in a messy way. So we'll make a parting, and we want to grab one side of our parting, and we want to kind of push it up like I'm showing and fix it using bobby pins. I wanted to show you how to use bobby pins for that, but actually you can use some clips or anything you have at home. Then you want to tie your ponytail, and then you remove your bobby pins. Here you can see the popular romantic shape. Then you want to grab your hair and you want to divide it into two and basically twist the hair and then twist it around the base of the ponytail, pin it in place, use some hairspray if needed or more hairpins, and you're basically done.
hope that you enjoyed this video so far. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Also, if you make sure to subscribe. Don't forget to check out Luisa website for the discount for the Black Friday. Also, these are truly good pieces, so this is my opinion. The pieces that you see on me, these are chosen by me. Also, make sure to check out my Awesome Hairstyles live channel and the video with Luisa unboxing. And of course, don't forget to check out Luisa website to have an amazing deal and save more money and have this amazing quality jewelry with a thought. That's it for today, guys. I love you so much. Bye.